Alright, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Just give you a little walk around. It is actually colder today. I know we are pushing out a bunch of POVs, so I hope you guys like the videos. They've been doing pretty good too. Car does need a wash. That's the hard part about having a black car. It's hard to keep this thing clean, but it was a quick little walk around. I'm just parked up. I don't even know where I am right now. I just parked up right here. Quick little POV for all today. I just washed the car yesterday, keep in mind, and this is what it looks like already. Yeah, I'm casually just outside downtown. Put my huge head mount on. I'm getting used to recording though, and that's good. I'm actually happy about that. I'm getting used to picking up the camera anywhere, in public or whatever. It's a good thing. It's something that you just gotta keep doing, and over time you'll get more used to it. Because in this video is on the GoPro, so compare this to my video yesterday. Let me know what you guys think. Because some of you guys like the GoPro, some of y'all like the iPhone. I think the iPhone looks better. I don't know if the GoPro sounds better, so you guys let me know. Yeah, this thing sounds crazy in the city, boys. Y'all can see the stars a little bit. This just Wednesday 11:47. I don't know, I'm just driving downtown. There's a sick tunnel down there. My map doesn't want me to go there, but I might just do it for the video. I think underneath the tunnel, I'm gonna put my window all the way down. It's gonna be hella cold, but I think I will be able to hear it a little bit better. Unless the GoPro doesn't block out the windows because it's my iPhone. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy these few other pulls, and let me know if you guys like how the mic sounds as well on the GoPro.